morning, beautiful moving people. Welcome back to a new video the day after. And exactly, it was a long long night yesterday, and but we managed a lot of way, which is pretty good. Slept good. I'm ready for the next stretch. The only thing is, as you saw yesterday or in the video before, if you didn't, you can check it out up here, down there somewhere. We had an issue with the batteries, which at the end I realized that it's the connector, because it's two batteries together. The connector is not sitting very good, or is not holding the one battery good, and that's why it came to the situation. So we're gonna hopefully manage it today to drive on and have a look also at the battery now. Exactly, let's do that first. Let's have a look at the battery, how it looks like. Okay, I must say it doesn't look that good, but it doesn't look much worse than yesterday. So let's have a go and see if we can start Helix up without some trouble here. Wait a bit for the oil to warm up, to heat up. Okay, let's give it a go. Yes, it's warm. Fingers crossed. Okay, that's a good start. So let's wrap this up, wait for the baby to warm up, and then we're gonna head back there. There is like a tank station where we can put our fill up Helix. Παναία μου, τόση γύρια μου δάμε που πρωί. And move on. So a short info that I think might be the case. This thing with the battery, as far as I understand, it happens in the ignition, because there the starter pulls a lot of power, and if the connector is not really on it, it doesn't make a good connection basically. So we need to kind of replace that in the upcoming days or weeks, better days. And quickly back, didn't take the card, too big of a deposit and not a lot on it. Let's try the next tankstelle, which is down there. Battery troubles again. Let's hope we can get it back on. I'm telling you, it's not nice. So we are back. The other petrol station didn't have the diesel for some sort or another. So we're gonna do a bit of an unorthodox way of fueling up. I've got my tanks, my small tanks, and I'm just gonna go and fill them 10 liter by 10 liter, and then we go. Okay, we're getting there. So last thing, try to open the hatch again, sort this thing out with the battery. Hopefully we start again kind of non-problemlessly, and then we move on with the next bit of the day. Okay, fingers crossed. Let's see if we can do the next bit. Great. We have also a bit more than the half of the tank full. And let's try and ride to, the idea is to drive to Cavallon. Since this, first of all, since this situation is a thing to do with the starter, I thought I'm gonna drive now. I saw yesterday that the distance is not that far. So theoretically, we have also another bit of diesel. We might make it. If not, at least at a place where we can, rest and kind of maybe get out of the rain. So we're basically now. Let me show you map-wise. So this is the idea we want to be doing. So we're about there. You see, we drove yesterday from up here to down there. So we're gonna try and get there today and see. Goodie. See you on the road. And because my brain is now a bit less. Exactly, we're gonna try and go without stopping, so we don't have to start and stop always the car, just to save a bit of the situation. And then we're gonna see how it evolves in the next days. Let's go. Pit stop is over, and what? I'm really glad that I took from Dresden the best barracks in the world. Really smoothly thin made pan I am. What a snack for the way. So, but again, we almost have, look. Oh, almost a quarter more of the tank, and okay, we're moving on. Woohoo! Also, I just switched the car off to spare the battery, because it was pretty clear, or it is pretty clear, that this problem happens while starting. Because the starter needs a lot of power to bring the motor onto power to start. So yeah, I'll try and do this pit stop method along the way, and fingers crossed we reach our destination today, so Helix can take a break in the next days, and we can sort this thing with the batteries out, and calm a bit down. Let's go. Input academic. It's really foggy. beautiful moving people. So I'm stopping for another pit stop here. Let's hope everything goes good. And I'll be driving into the night. Just for your info, we're about 300 kilometers away. So I guess we'll make it. I just found out that the handbrake just got loose, so I have to figure that out as well. Anyways, I would say see you tomorrow. Cheers! And here we are back. Okay, let me show you. It's windy today. Let me show you what we done. So we built a new connector here. I think it will need a bit of an improvement in the next days. But yeah, let's see how it works. Just put yourselves here. Okay, let's try it. Let's see what happens. Let's wait a bit until the oil gets heated up a bit. We've been here at this place for like almost 5 days, as you can see. It's a nice spot. I driving kind of the route I drove last year down, and yeah, it's nice. I guess easy going. So okay, greetings, and let's see. We're on. It worked. I don't know if it burned anything. Well, it looks solid tight. Okay, we're gonna let the Helix run a bit, or basically, yeah. And that was the fix of the day, or of this part of the route. I am kind of Turkey-Nanda mixed up and everything. But I'll catch you on the next one when we're gonna be driving, hopefully on one go to España. Catch you on the next one. Thanks for being here. Much love.